Hello and welcome. Every home lab needs a time server, so let's create our own NTP server with Raspberry Pi. First, install the NTP package. Next, configure where your time server will take its own time. NTP server comes with a pre-configured configuration file /etc/ntp.conference that contains specifications for 4 NTP pool servers. But for example, you can use pool NTP org for your source of time. And the Ubuntu NTP can be stay on fallback. Restart the server to apply changes and also enable NTP to automatically start up on reboot. Next, we need to enable firewall rules for NTP. Run the following command to allow inbound connections to the NTP server. Next, we can install and configure on NTP clients with NTP packages. Open the NTP client configuration file with the same ntp.conference file then server. And change the first pool line on your own time server with IP address or DNS name. Save and close the file. Restart the NTP client to apply changes. To view time sync details, run the following command. And on the first line we have our own time server. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.